好啦，而家咧大約係12點半左右，咁我哋由呢個嘅7點半開始玩到而家咧，大約係8、9、10、11、12，就係5個鐘頭。OK， 我哋大致上咧就玩晒所有嘢嘅。咁啊，亦都同大家分享一下啦。咁記住咧，係一定要坐呢個6點半嘅車啦。咁啊，去到公園咧，大約係7點鐘。咁咁啱咧，我係俾佢 stop 咗嘅。咁點解我俾佢 stop 咗咧？原來咧係因為咧喺我個台入邊咧有一個 clip，個 clip 咧係用呢個嘅鐵盒裝住嘅，咁啊響咗。咁所以咧，如果大家係將你個眼鏡 clip 咧擺喺個盒入邊嘅話，記住攞出嚟。如果唔係嘅話，又好似我一樣，咁咧就係俾人截停咗噶啦。咁之後咧就排隊啦，咁咧就一路衝，我覺得係跑啊！咁啊由呢個道門咧7點鐘就跑到去 Avatar 嗰度咧，咁然後咁好彩，咁啊俾我哋排到第一個 round 係7點半就開始玩噶啦。咁所以咧，當啲人仲係排緊隊嘅時候咧，我大概7點9左右，其實我已經玩咗呢個 Avatar 最多噶啦。後尾到我出嚟嘅時候就8點鐘，咁啲人就要排3個鐘頭，咁啊所以我就話點解一定要好早去坐呢個早上嘅巴士，如果唔係嘅話就排等。咁然後玩完咗 Avatar 之後咧，我就去咗呢個嘅 Navi 睇下先啊 Navi River Navi River Journey， 其實坐隻船啊，係坐隻船，咁咧就係一隻船仔嚟嘅，咁好多隻船啊嘛，又係3個人啊、6個人啊、9個人，通常一行係3個人左右啦，咁啊就坐隻船仔，咁就喺呢個嘅 Navi Journey 嗰度就係玩咗一段時間，亦都好早啊。咁玩完之後咧，咁下一個我去咗嘅地方咧，就係呢一個嘅 Safari。咁呢個 Safari 嘅名咧就叫做 Kalimangaro。咁咧係坐住架吉普車，好大嘅車嘅。咁咧就行呢個 Safari 咧，睇咗好多唔同嘅動物啦。我哋有hippos 啊、長頸鹿啊等等。咁咧等咗都唔係好長時間。咁完咗之後咧，就嗱咧就去呢一個嘅Lion King，因為第一個 show 咧係開10點鐘嘅。咁我亦都係睇咗第一個 show 啦。咁啊今日24號啦，咁啊可能多倫多落緊好大雪，咁但係咧其實呢度並唔係好多人嘅，可能個個咧去咗 Magic Kingdom 都未定㗎嚇，咁啊今日可能嗰度係比較節日氣氛濃厚啲啦。咁我做完呢個嘅 Lion King 之後咧，就嚟到而家呢個地方，我坐喺度休息緊，就11點半，咁啊order嘢食，咁到而家12點零鐘啦，咁啊到最後可能我仲要去咧就叫做 Dinoland， 即係呢個恐龍啊，咁大致上我都唔使行。到夜晚7點，我已經玩晒最主要玩嘅嘢嘅。咁當然頭先咧我就漏咗講，就係當我去完 Lion King 之後咧，我就去咗另外一個地方。咁呢個地方就叫做 Expedition Everest。咁咧就係一個 ride 嚟嘅。咁我諗好多人都去嗰度嘅。咁我諗你哋都需要去嘅。如果嚟到呢個嘅 Animal Kingdom 嘅話，所以咧喺過去3分鐘，我已經講咗我今日去咗5個，係咪5個啊？有 Avatar 啦。有 Navi 啦，即係坐船啦，有 Safari 就坐車啦，之後咧就係 Lion King 啦，就有呢個嘅Expedition Everest 啦，5個，咁啊去埋最後一個咧就係 Dino 嘅話咧，其實大致上我已經做晒，就唔使去到7點鐘。咁最重要咧係今日可能好 lucky 啊，唔係等好長隊。咁啊係咪次次都係咁咧？我相信唔係嘅。咁只不過呢條片大家分享一下。咁我一陣間咧休息多一陣間咧，就會去呢個 Dino。咁之後可能就會翻去呢個嘅 resort 噶啦。咁聽日去邊度咧？聽日咧我係聽日係唔會去呢個 Magic Kingdom 嘅，因為聽日25號咧 Magic Kingdom 應該係超級多人。哇，其實日日都咁多人噶啦。咁我相信聽日係更加多人，所以聽日咧我應該係會去呢個嘅 Hollywood 嘅。咁到時如果真係有去到嘅，就再同大家分享一下。因為都係6點半6點半車，6點半啊，記住啊，一定要6點半。如果唔係嘅話咧，係好難喺好早玩到好多嘢嘅。咁所以大致上咧呢條片咧都係講我嘅行程。咁啊，亦都等大家知道我去到玩咗啲乜嘢啦。咁啊，至於食物方面咧會有啲 tips 俾大家嘅。究竟要唔要買 meal plan 咧，或者唔使買 meal plan 咧？咁一陣間咧我都會同大家分享一下嘅。Hello， 早晨啊！今日嚟到呢個嘅 Day 2，今日去邊度咧？尋日去咗呢一個嘅 Animal Kingdom， 咁今日咧就會去呢個嘅搭呢個嘅 Skyliner 咧，因為喺呢個 resort 入邊只有呢一間係 value 嘅 resort 咧係可以有 Skyliner 咧，直接咧就係去呢一個嘅 Hollywood Studio 同埋 Epcot 嘅。咁啊，我哋就係會去 Hollywood Studio 嗱，你見到咧今日嘅天咧同尋日係有少少唔同嘅，因為今日已經係講緊7點15分，因為嗰個 Skyliner 係開7點45分，咁啊 Hollywood 咧係開9點鐘嘅，咁所以今日咧就比較晏起身，咁啊但係依然咧都係準備去出發 全副武裝。今日嘅天氣咧，大約都係15度左右，咁所以咧今日加多咗件風褸。一陣間去到 Skyliner 嘅時候咧，就會同大家睇一睇究竟呢個 Skyliner 新嘅設備係點樣樣。一陣間見。大家見唔見到啊？就好似我哋香港嘅纜車一樣，個 Skyliner。呢個 Skyliner 咧就係呢一間resort 獨有嘅。咁其實可能應該話唔係間 value resort 都有 Skyliner。咁佢嘅好處咧，只不過咧係快啲可以去到對面岸，然後喺嗰度就轉車，然後再去呢個 Hollywood Studio。咁如果冇嘅話咧，咁就要出到去大門口搭巴士。咁當然搭 Skyliner 就比較快啲啦。好啦，呢一個咧就係我講嘅 Skyliner， 就係由呢個嘅 resort， 我哋嘅 resort 咧就係 Top Century， 亦都係唔錯嘅 resort。so far嚟講，亦都唔可以投訴太多，因為用咩價錢就住乜嘢地方。咁咧就係因為有 Skyliner 咧，所以就搭過去呢個嘅 lake 嘅對面啊，或者湖嘅對面咧，咁起碼慳咗好多嘅車程。咁點解啲人會揀呢間 resort 咧？即係其中一間咧，就因為有呢個新嘅設備 Skyliner。咁當然啦，如果你冇的話咧，你依然都係可以坐巴士嘅，係完全冇問題。只不過個時間就會快啲咁解咯。哇！好快就到咗啦，因為咧1分鐘之後咧，頭先我哋喺嗰度就係搭呢一個嘅 Skyliner 啦，到咗呢一個嘅Caribbean Beach Resort， 然後再轉呢一個嘅 Skyliner。咁咧頭先係經歷咗1分鐘，而家我諗都係1分鐘到2分鐘左右，咁就會去到呢一個嘅Hollywood Studio 嘅其中一個我哋想玩嘅。
Walk the red carpet. Remember to double check your star-studded itinerary using your My Disney Experience mobile app.OK，
我哋去呢個嘅 Hollywood 咧，最重要咧就係玩呢個嘅 Rise of the Rebellion 嘅。咁咧呢個就係喺呢個 Star Wars 我哋必要去嘅。咁一個 part 咧係開9點鐘，咁咧我哋係可以半個鐘頭前可以入，即係8點半啦。咁但係呢個 Skyliners 咧係7點45分定係7點半咧就開始㗎啦，所以我哋都會早到，同尋日一樣。早到咗之後咧
，Ladies, gentlemen, and members of the Academy.Welcome to Disney's Hollywood Studios。
咁我哋早到之後咧就可以入去，但係未玩得住嘅。咁同尋日一樣可以排隊。咁啊，今日咧陽光都唔錯。咁大家見到啦。
Please remain seated until the doors automatically open. When exiting the cabin, please supervise children, collect your belongings, and watch your step. Thank you for flying with us.Por favor, permanezcan sentados hasta que las puertas se abran automáticamente.
好啦，到咗啦。
Por favor, cuide a sus pequeños.
入到去再同大家講。8點20分，我哋應該係第一批玩呢一個遊戲 game 嘅人喺 Star Wars。咁啊，排咗一少少耐嘅隊。
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
Rear company, first order TIE fighters. Reroute, reroute. Red 2, Blue 5.
一陣間就講過。哇！出咗門口啊，見唔見到後邊咩人啊？全部都係啲 soldier。
Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lift at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. Prisoners last seen on left.
Okay, you're clear.
Your escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Line up. Staff response beacon.
Lieutenant Beck here.
Beck! You're alive!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is secure. Bravo!
今日咧，我哋早玩就早着數，玩完呢個 The Rise of Rebellion 咧，而家我哋玩緊嘅就係 Millennium Falcon， 8:45，好早啊！今日我哋做晒所有嘢。
Coming down! Left pilot, hit the boosters! Boost! 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 We made it! I don't believe it, but we made it! Now, let's get out of here.